Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese vermicelli. Vermicelli is a dish we normally would make around Diwali time. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious vermicelli, and I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Today is Vlogtober day 17. If you're new to my channel, every day in October I will be uploading a video for you guys. Alright, so come back every day, but for this weekend I will be uploading share sweets, Diwali sweets. So come back if you like the Diwali recipe. Just come back every day to see what I whip up in the kitchen. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy my Guyanese vermicelli. Hi guys, so my ingredients for my vermicelli cake is some white sugar. We have our vermicelli here. We have half tin condensed milk, some evaporated milk. Here we have some more full cream milk, butter. We have cinnamon and clove here. And here we have the nutmeg, vanilla essence, raisin, and some cherry cut up. This is optional, alright? So let me just go put on my stove now. Okay, so you're gonna get a pot and put about 4 to 5 cups of water inside, and then you're gonna put in your clove and your cinnamon and your nutmeg, right? And just let this boil for about 5 minutes. Alright, so while my water is boiling, I just put on this other pot. So what I'm gonna do is put some butter into the pot, right, and let it melt. We'll be back. Okay, so my butter is finished melting. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna break up your vermicelli, and then you're gonna pour it into the pot here. Alright, I'm not using the whole pot, probably like half pot. Alright, and we're gonna parch it for about 5 minutes or so, or until it gets brown. Some people don't parch it, some people will just make it without parching it, leaving it white, but I prefer it to be brown, so I'm gonna parch it, right? And you must put your fire on low heat. Alright, it's gonna take some time, about 5 minutes or so or more, so just take your time, keep your fire on low heat, and you have to constantly stir in it. Alright, so you have to prepare to just stand here and stir for the next couple of minutes until it reaches the darkness or the brownness that you prefer. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay, so I have been parching this for about 7 minutes. So if you want, you could do it long if you want it more brown, but this brown is okay for me. Alright, so the next step you're gonna do is the water that you boiled earlier with the cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. You're gonna pour that into it. Oh, it's so hot. Guys, be very careful when you're pouring this into the pot, right? It's gonna spill up. Be very careful. And you're gonna stir it up, and you're gonna cover it and let it boil until the water near boil down. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so the vermicelli has been boiling in the water, and you can see all the water is dry down. So it's time to put the milk. So I'm going to put the milk. This is 1 cup. 2 cups. Like the pot too small. I still gotta put the carne evaporated. Alright, so let's just pour half tin of the evaporated. So I'm using 2 different type of milk, alright? And also you're gonna put in your vanilla essence. I'm just gonna mix this up and let it boil again till it gets soft. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, as you can see, my vermicelli is boiling in the milk. So what you're going to do now, I'm going to take out my cinnamon stick, and it's time for sweeten it. Alright, so I'm going to put my half tin of condensed milk. If you have to get more, I'll just use the white sugar to sweeten it, okay? And just stir in the condensed milk. We'll be back. Okay guys, so it still needs some more sweetening, so I'm going to put some white sugar. The half tin of condensed milk didn't do, so I'm going to put in some white sugar. Alright, check the description box down below for all my measurements and ingredients. Alright, also I'm going to be fishing out my my clove. I already took out my cinnamon, so whenever I see a clove I just take it out. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, just taste it and it's sweet enough. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna put in your raisins. You're gonna stir in your raisin. Just like this, and then you're gonna stir in your cherry as well. I cut up my cherry really small, alright? You're gonna mix in your cherry. We'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see here, my vermicelli near finished. I'm gonna let it dry down for another 2 minutes, and then we can transfer it over into my pirate dish. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, it dried down a little bit, so I'm gonna put it into this pirate dish here. Okay, so I just greased my pan with a little bit of butter. So I'm gonna turn off my stove. Oh my, this is so heavy. So I'm gonna transfer over the vermicelli into the pirate dish. Alright. A little bit more. Have to put this rest in another container. Alright, and then I'm gonna spread it out. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, and you have to let this let cool. Alright. Now it's about, let me see. Now it's 12 midnight right now. So by the time I wake up so by the time I get up in the morning, it can cool down. Alright, and I'll show you guys it when you wake up in the morning. Okay guys, see you in the morning. Bye. Okay guys, I nearly forget to do an outro because I already see that it's done getting hard already, so it's best to do my outro now and upload it tonight. Anyway guys, this is my end results for my Guyanese vermicelli cake. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, I think today is Vlogtober day 17, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Now it's so late. Now it's like after midnight, so I don't even know what date it is. Anyway, Vlogtober day 17. Follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. I don't even know if I said that already. When you're sleepy is a bad thing. Anyway guys, I'm going to try and upload this video for you guys tonight. Alright, take care. See you guys tomorrow with my parasat and my mithai tomorrow. Alright, I'll do two videos tomorrow. Okay guys, take care. Bye.